Breathless, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Junior Suite. Garden view. This is your shower. Glass shower. Rain shower. Large closet. Robes, slippers, luggage. Dresser drawers. King size bed, night lamps, ceiling fan. Big screen television. Bar top table and chairs. Couch and coffee table. Telephone. Out to the balcony. Couch on the balcony. Breathtaking views. This is a garden view junior suite. In the distance is the bay and the mountains. There's our garden view. 2-person hot tub, jacuzzi. Welcome to Jamaica, man. A Premier Travel. We hope to see you here.